Yo, Rich.
Yo.
Where you at?
Yeah, I'm waiting for these markets to open, guys. If you don't know, we've been making money from our cell phone for a couple of years now. You see, we out here in the hills, guys. It's my last day in Cali. Actually about to get out of here right now. Probably go do a little shopping on Rodeo or something before I hit Hawaii tomorrow. I'm just trying to put some trades in before I actually get out here. Last week, had a crazy week trading, guys. It was absolutely amazing. You see, this is the markets. I know you guys don't know about it, but we're going to show you guys exactly how you can turn your phone into an ATM. And I just want to show you guys some proof. Can you see right here? Get in here. So I'm gonna just go back. On Tuesday, made 3,400. I don't know if you guys can see that. 3,400 on Tuesday. Wednesday, made 3,900. And then I believe on Thursday, made $661. We just pretty much living our life and being able to make money from clicking buttons on apps. A lot of people use these apps and use their phone to scroll all day, be on social media and make no money, pretty much pay a phone bill to waste time in your life. And we're pretty much just showing people how they can turn that same device into an ATM. So what we're doing, me and my business partner upstairs, we're actually going there right now. We just shot a crazy webinar, guys. Me and him, we've been making 5-6 figures doing this from our phone for the last couple of years, 4 or 5 years. We never really shot a video to show people exactly what we do, exactly how we're doing. I know you guys know I'm a network marketer. I sell businesses, I sell products, different services, make over 7 figures from network marketing. But on the side, we've actually been doing the same thing that the bank's been doing, that the richest people in the world been doing to grow and compound our money, right? And we really never shared it with nobody because there was no need to. Like, we don't need to chase friends or chase down family members to make money. We actually can just click buttons on our mobile device and make money. So I'm actually get out of here, guys. You know, my fiance's in the car. She's waiting to go shopping. Her birthday's up. I'm taking her to Hawaii tomorrow, surprising her. So I'm actually go up here. Steve's up here. He's gonna actually tell you guys how to get into the webinar. We got a lot of stuff we're giving away, free tips, a free strategy that'll get you guys started right away, walking you through how to get started making money from your cell phone. So you guys definitely want to check out this webinar. So come on, let's check it out. Yeah, so this is just a little vacation spot, Beverly Hills, man. Like 4 stories. We came out here just to celebrate my man Steve's birthday. Turned up last night, crazy night. But came out here just to work. Yo, Steve, you up here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna let Steve pretty much break down to you guys how to get on the webinar, right? Get all the free tips we're giving you, all the free training and strategy, everything we're giving you. Guys, definitely make sure you're paying attention. Make sure you got everything turned off. Turn off your TV, turn off your cell phone, and listen to this guy. This is my man Steve right here for you guys that don't know. His birthday was yesterday. So Steve, just tell them like how we making money from our phone. I just showed them like over 8,000 in profit in 2 days. Show them like what we can do from this. I'm tired. Whew.
Absolutely.
Ran
So
up them stairs.
definitely, guys. Welcome. We're out here, Hollywood Hills, enjoying the good life, and we're actually, you know, impacting lives, making a lot of money just by utilizing an app, guys. I want to show you right here what I was just able to do just from last week. Check this out, guys. As you can see here, real live results. My name, Stevenson Lindor. Just last week, guys, even an extra on my last day to end the week, an extra $600 utilizing an app. $600, guys, over $600. Look at those profits right there, right? It gets no better than that. Actually, over here, and you know, because it was my birthday weekend, we wanted to come out and celebrate. Check out this withdrawal right here. As you can see, Stevenson Lindor, you know, just an additional $500. Think about that. What would that do for you, right? What would that do if all you had to do was utilize an app to make money? You don't have to recruit nobody, you don't have to bother anyone, you don't gotta make X amount of sales just to make a few extra bucks every single day.
Crazy.
Just by utilizing an app. And that's exactly what me and Garrett do. We show people, we educate, we train all around the world. Guys, we've been to Africa, we've been, all over the United States. We're about to tour Europe soon. It's gonna get crazier. And all we're doing is showing other people how to generate and create financial wealth for themselves. You gotta think about it. It's 2018. If you have a cell phone and you're not utilizing it to make money for yourself, you're doing it wrong. The industrial age of how our parents grew up, our great-grandparents grew up, of just working hard, shoveling, cutting grass, those days are over. It's absolutely over. This is all about the digital age, all right? Utilizing apps to help you make more money. And what my business partner here, Garrett, when he introduced me to this business 5 years ago, it absolutely changed my life. Now I can honestly say I'm financially free. I haven't worked a job in over 3.5 years, and all I do is travel around the world. Guys, we're in Hollywood Hills. Look around, look at those views. You can't tell me this is not a life you do not want.
The crazy part is this business model we're going to show you, it's been around for centuries, guys. And we'll all actually die before this business model goes anywhere, so you don't got to worry about this being a get-rich-quick scheme or a pump-or-dump. This business model runs the world, and you've already done this business model. You just didn't know it, and you didn't know how to capitalize off of it. So you definitely want to check out the webinar, guys. Below this video, it'll be a link. If you're watching this on YouTube, definitely make sure you subscribe. Make sure you go follow Stevenson Lindor. I'll put all his social tags below. Make sure you subscribe to all the channels. We're still giving away $1,000, but we want to just give back to you guys and let you guys know how else we're making money. Like, we literally turn our cell phone to an ATM. I showed you guys over 8,000 profit in just 3 days, guys. And on the third day, I took it light. What would an extra $8,000 do for you guys, knowing that you didn't have to have influence over people? You didn't have to call everybody in your phone book. You didn't have to chase down friends, family, guys. All you had to do was pull out your phone like you do every day, all day, press a few buttons, and make money. So guys, go check out the webinar. It's gonna be an hour long, guys. This information will change your life. So you can put an hour to the side if you've been struggling in the last 10, 20 years, depending on what your age. You can put an hour to the side, tuck your kids in, go kiss your wife, go kiss your husband, tell them you be upstairs in a few, and put an hour to the side. No TV, no phones, throw it all out. Go lock yourself in the car if you have to, right? Make sure all this information we're gonna give you on this webinar goes in, because what could come out could be abundance of money, guys. So we'll see you guys at the top where you already see we're at. Hopefully you come with us, or we'll see you from there.
We out.